So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a paper ninja star. Now all you need for this is two pieces of paper. It could be any size paper, but eventually you'll need to make them into squares. So you can just start off with post-it notes, or like me, you can start off with printer paper that I'm going to make into squares now. So as long as the two pieces of paper that you're using are both square and the same size, then you'll be fine. So if you don't know that how to make a square out of a rectangular piece of paper, you just fold this corner down and have the top edge of the paper line up with the side edge of the paper. And now you're going to cut off this rectangular part of the paper because all you want is the triangle. So now you kind of either cut this off or with the scissors, or you could like rip it off by like creasing it a bunch to make it easier to rip off. I don't have scissors on me right now, so I'm going to crease it and then rip it off. So after that, you should get a square piece of paper, and now you're going to have to do it to the other piece of paper. Alright, so now you have two pieces of paper. You want to fold both of them in half twice. So 1, 2. And you're going to do the other paper now. So now both your papers should look like this, and now you're going to fold both of them in half. And unfold them. So both your papers should be facing towards you. So like when you open it up and fold it, they should be facing towards you. But now you need to fold the left side of the paper upwards, and make sure when you fold it upwards, you want this edge of the paper, this part right here, to be in line with the crease that you just made by folding it in half. So you want to do one upwards and the other side downwards. So it should look like this. Now you want to do the same thing for the other piece of paper. Fold one side upwards and the other side downwards. So both your papers should look the exact same. And now you want to fold the top of the pieces of paper down like this. So it kind of makes a triangle right here. And you want to flip it around and do it for the other side too. And you want to do this on both of the pieces that you made. So on the second one, fold this top corner down and flip it around and flip the top left corner down. So your pieces should look like this. And now you want to stack them perpendicularly. So it should kind of look like a T. But now you want to take one corner of the paper and fold it into the like a pocket, which would be like right here of the other paper. So right here, there's like a pocket, and you want to take the tip of the triangle and put it into the pocket, and then fold it down. And now you want to take the one left of it, so it'd be this one, and the same thing. You want to take the tip and then just fold it down into the pocket. And you want to do these for all of them. So, but you want to go you want to do the one to the left next. So it'd be this one. Fold it down, tuck it in, and now you may need to use some force, but it should go in pretty easily. And then you want to do it to the last one and fold it tight, and it should be the final product. Now you could use two different pieces of colored paper if you want to change the color, or you could just color it after. But this is roughly what it should look like when you are finished.